welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kirsten Gail. So, it is your favorite time of the month, and I'm not talking about PMS for you weirdos, but it is the March Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I get the base box. I tend to pay for mine a year at a time because who's going to remember to have that 30 bucks ready every month? I'm just saying, you know, on the same day and everything. Just pay for it yearly. Save you some trouble. As you can tell, I just got out of the shower, so I look a little crazy. But I thought, why not go ahead and share with you guys my pics of Boxycharm. Wow, I cannot talk today. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I've already opened the box, opened the packages to make it easier on myself. I know normally I give you all first impressions, but it's been a crazy week so far. I've been on spring break from school, and I have been into spring cleaning, y'all. I finally started taking some good vitamins, and it has been, man, game changer. Game changer, okay? Anyways, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing, oh, these are so pretty. I love this color. Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette sells for $39. Look at that. I think my last box came with an Ofra palette that I ended up putting. Ooh, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. One of these has a shimmer in it. God, it looks like butter. I'm just gonna swatch it real quick because I'm pretty sure another thing I got is like a makeup melter or something. Plus, my skin is nice and clean, you know. One of those showers where you just spend forever in it and you get nice and pretty. Ooh, okay, so they're not that bad. Ooh, Lord, I can't show you guys nothing. Do you see it? It's not bad. It's not bad. Good pigmentation, you know, it's pretty. If I'm right and my last palette was a blush palette, I probably will be passing this along to somebody because I don't need to. I'm in this phase of my life where I do not want to hang on to stuff at all. And that's a problem because I just spent a shit ton of money on stuff thinking I would need it, and now I'm in a whole mindset of let's get rid of everything and it'll be okay. But that's neither here nor there. Stay tuned for more, for some decluttering content coming your way. Anyways, next is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. I think I might actually try this later on. You know, I don't try, if you've been on this channel for a little while, you know I don't try skincare on video or camera because it takes more than one try to see any like real results. So yeah, but I'm going to put this to the side, and I think I'm going to get my sister and mom to try this with me because they love masks too. So yeah. Moving on, we have the Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Super Fruit Radiance Balm. Oh, the last thing was $69. Good Lord. Okay, well, and then this one is $38. So it's basically like a moisturizer. I already have enough skincare. I mean, it smells nice. I'm not going to test it because I'm probably going to pass this on to somebody because I don't need it. I already have more than enough skincare. I'm trying the Sanjali MD skincare line. Influencer was kind enough to send that to me. So, I'm trying to use that up. I don't want to say I'm on a no-buy because, I mean, obviously I said I just went shopping. But yeah, I'm trying to be on a no-buy anymore. Anyways, that was $38. The next thing is Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. I've never heard of them. It sells for $24. You get a good amount. It's, ooh, wow, 6.7 fluid ounces. Gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives, clean and nourish. I do enjoy the brand look and everything. let's get her try on this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I guess y'all want to see me spray it, huh? It actually smells kind of good. Look. Melting right off. Oh. Oh, no. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got some staining from some of them blushes, so there's that. It did smell, it smells clean, pretty much. I mean, there's no residue. My skin feels good. I'm not happy about that stain, though. I do not like staining, but it'll be okay. It is what it is. And last but not least, we have the Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, and it retails for $16.95. The cheapest thing in this box. Surprising. Hair mask. Let's see here. I don't like hair masks. And as someone who is literally in college right now to be a licensed master cosmetologist, that's kind of surprising. But I'm not even gonna like open the seal because I don't want to keep this. I will probably either resell this on my Mercari page or pass it along. I mean, I'm sure it's good, but my hair gets really greasy really fast, and no, I don't want to deal with that. Anyways, guys, I'm kind of sad. This wasn't that great of a box. I mean, they can't all be winners, right? But anyways, look at this Ofra palette. Isn't it pretty? I love the unicorn. And it's got this cute little magnetic closure. It's pretty. I'll give it that. And this and this are pretty much the two wins from this box. Like I said, you pay like 30-ish bucks a month for 5 full-size items. You get to pick one if you make choice on time. Lately, they haven't had that great of choice items. I want to say, I don't even remember what my choice item was. It might have been the Ofra palette again, because, I mean, I'll make, if I ever make choice, I'll just grab something, the first thing you can get, because with choice, you have to get there as soon as possible before they run out of stock of the choice items, you know? So definitely, I would definitely recommend setting an alarm or something so you don't miss choice. And then you also get the access to the add-on shop. I've never used the add-on shop that I can remember. Probably not, though, because, y'all, I got shopping problems, okay? But, yeah, so, ooh, and it's Game Changers. This month's theme is Game Changers, celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month. Yes, and I love this, like, the purpley, almost tie-dye-ish kind of stars theme. Ugh, I love that kind of stuff. But anyways, guys, that's this month's Boxycharm unboxing from me. I hope you guys like this video. I do look forward to bringing you more Boxycharm unboxings. I am thinking of getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I do not like deluxe samples. I think it is stupid. Even though I'm a weirdo and like mini-sized travel stuff, so to each his own, right? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys this time, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!